We're gonna go and check our room. We just check in and we're walking. We're gonna go see what the room looks like.
Do you guys have a lot of people staying here?
So we're just walking to the.
Sorry.
So we're following this man. He's gonna take us to our room. There's a pool right there.
Oh, I'm gonna swim in it too.
But you don't want to swim in the pool. You want to swim in the ocean.
I'm gonna
instead.
swim in both. Swim in both. Guys, this is a 5.
Listen.
We have 2 swimming pools here
Yeah.
and the other one there.
Guys, this
Oh,
is
so
a
we have
5.
3.
3.
5
Yeah.
stars hotel.
Yeah.
5. And I see why. They have 3 pools.
The big. We have so many. We have other
Shout
ones out. That are with pools around.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
If you guys are
We're
in,
gonna explore.
if
They have a
you
lot
guys,
of swimming pools here.
if you guys are in what's this place called?
Leisure Lodge.
No, like the
Masai Mara.
no.
Where? I have no
The
clue
like
what
the
you're talking
state or country this is.
about. You don't have to yell.
Must.
Yeah, they have monkeys running around, but we're told you can't feed them. And they said when you leave the room, you have to make sure that you close the door so that they don't come and try to eat your food. So there's our room here.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Thank you. Oh, this is so
When
good.
you walk in, that's a bathroom. It's air conditioned.
This is a 10-star hotel.
Sure. You like it?
Yeah.
Karibu. We have
Asante.
water